the 2013 Scion XB. This four-door, five-passenger wagon will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include cruise control, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, front fog lights, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.